Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you a couple problems from your problem set, and this has something to do with the properties we just learned, but not everything's completely. It's mostly converting back and forth from a logarithmic form to a exponential form. And I left this example up because this is actually a good one. So we're going to write the log equation as an exponential equation. You do not need to solve for x, so make sure you realize that. So we're just going to rewrite it, and that will be all. So let's first copy it down so we can see what we got here. All right, so we got the natural log of this quadratic expression, and we are told it's equal to 3. All right, so they want us to convert to an exponential form, and the reason I left this one as a good example, I thought it was, is this has that understood base e. So when we go to do this, we got to remember the natural log of x equals y, and remember there's that little if and only if e to the y is x. So that's the property we're going to use. All right, and remember this has an understood base e right here. So this is just going to become e to the 3 is x squared plus x plus 10. We're told not to solve it, so I'm pretty sure that's it. So we'll type it in, and I'll see how e. Use your caret key, get your 3, and that's equal to x squared plus x plus 10. And move myself out of the way there. And that's what they wanted. Now they even give decent instructions if you mess these up, okay? Let's see if there's another one worth talking about. That one's not. That was kind of easy. It's another one with a natural log. Well, we'll set this one up. I'll just go through it. I guess we'll do a natural log one. They're all fairly straightforward. This one says the natural log of x squared minus x plus 17 is equal to 3/4. Well, this is just going to become e to the 3/4 equals x squared minus x plus 17. So that was just like what we just did. Here's one. All right, so we'll do this one. All right, so we're going to do log x. This shouldn't take you too long, so once you get the hang of it. And it's an important skill, so we're not just wasting time doing this, I promise. We have log x, and that's equal to 3/2. Then we got to remember that log x is actually log 10x, right? So really we have 10 to the 3/2, and that's x, and that's what they would want. And let's type that in so I can see if we're right. And 10 raised to the 3/2 is x. And we got it. Okay. Well, this should be able to get you through this problem set. I don't think there's anything any harder than those two. If there is, let me know, and I'll talk to you in Zoom about it. And next week we will hit on the laws of logarithms, and we'll combine that with these properties, and we'll start being able to really solve some nice equations. I think you'll like those. All right, thanks for watching.